Guten Morgen. Okay, sagen wir es mal so. Ich hab gespielt. Ich habe 32.000 Münzen, jeden Charakter, jede Arena, die existiert, jeden Championship, sogar den Hardcore Championship, den niemand braucht, sogar den umweltfreundlichen habe ich mir gekauft. Ich habe alles gekauft. Na gut. Ich dachte erst einmal sagen, Royal Rumble, 30 Man, Titelkampf an, mit den Spielen. Ja, mit Roman Reigns. Ich spiele schön mit dem Brock Lesnar. Na halt. Weiß jetzt nicht. Soll ich vielleicht nicht doch einen Goldberg nehmen? Ich weiß es nicht. Ich hab sogar diese Brooklyn, Alter. Die gute Number 27. Championship. Okay, Universal Championship, Intercontinental und United Kingdom. Undisputed, Intercontinental. Kämpfen wir noch European, oder wie? Kann man mal. Titelkampf beginnen. Moin, Timo.
The following contest is the Royal Rumble match. The two...
Ja, den. Oh, ich darf sicher. Den Scheiße überspringen jetzt einfach. Allerdings die Influences lasse ich drin. Und übrigens, demnächst kommt wieder demnächst kommt wieder ein Video von Fortnite. Und zwar ich mit meinem besten Freund gegen Sword. Der will jetzt nicht sagen. Ja, gegen zwei Idioten spielen. Die haben die ganze Zeit bloß beleidigt und ich habe da den einen oder anderen lustigen Kommentar abgelassen. Das Ganze habe ich zwar eigentlich vorgehabt, dass es im Landi-Video, das jetzt demnächst auch noch kommt, vorgehabt, dass ich das da ankündige, allerdings, ja. Das muss ich auch noch schneiden, habe jetzt keinen Bock drauf gehabt. So, wer kommt jetzt? Lass mich ran, Kane. One von New Day. So entweder Kofi Kingston oder Xavier Woods. And feel the power! Ich liebe dieses Team. Es ist Xavier Woods. Ich wusste es. Ich bin so wrestling-süchtig, Alter. Ich kenne jeden auswendig. Was? Der wiegt bloß 102,5 Kilo. Der wiege ich fast. Der wiege ich fast das Gleiche.
Or it's time to grab earplugs. In some states, this could be considered torture.
Taste and music aside, Xavier is a dynamic and agile competitor that is sure to keep the energy high in this match.
Granted, Woods is a talented wrestler, but that's where his talents begin and end.
Let's not forget he's one of these gaming nerds, too. He's got an internet channel, up, up, down, down.
One of the most popular channels ever. Whoa, let's not go too hard on up, up, down, down. I've been on there a handful of times. I mean, Woods is okay in that realm when he dresses like a civilian, not like unicorns on it.
Hey, did you see me on up, up, down, down when I played ping pong?
No.
One of the more
Okay, it's beginning.
WWE history on the line here tonight. The European title.
You call it unique, Cole. I call it underrated. Some truly great talents have held that championship.
I personally enjoyed Kurt Angle's reign, especially when he combined his 2 titles and called himself the Euro-Continental Champion. It's true.
Boom, what a forearm.
And Ziggler gets out of the way quickly.
Valentinswien. Wer zur Hölle ist das denn?
Boom, boom, persistent
Ach, der
barrage.
Typ.
Pendulum backbreaker.
Tick-tock. Big knee.
We're about to get another one.
And Ziggler making him think twice.
That's what Ziggler does.
Straight punch. And here's Kevin Owens.
Kevin Owens.
Boom, right in the button.
Huge overhead belly to belly.
Ist geil, kommt so ein Schlag zwischen die Beine.
Ziggler
Das war's.
turns it around.
Das war's einfach.
Super kick.
Das wär's dann mit Kofi Kingston, sag ich hier, mit Xavier Woods.
Yeah, this might just be it.
Der Kofi Kingston, Xavier Woods ist, ja, raus.
Haymaker DDT.
Randy Savage. Bin mir ja nicht sicher, aber ich glaube, der ist schon 2009 gestorben. Glaube ich.
Wee. Drop kick.
Great athleticism.
Ooh, treading all over their opponent.
Bad spot for him to be in here, guys.
Das war's jetzt, wenn er direkt eliminiert wird.
Double axe handle. Counting it down. Who is
Ja,
it
okay,
gonna
ne.
be?
And there's the reversal from Randy Savage.
Straight punch.
Oh nee.
Corey, he unloaded there.
Das ist ein Japaner.
Savage with the offense.
Oh,
Bin das Nummer 20 als Brock Lesnar drin.
Kevin Owens has been eliminated.
One of my favorite things about the Royal Rumble really is the element of surprise. You just
Dolph
never
Ziggler
know who's going to
has
come out
been
next.
eliminated.
Clothesline over the top.
Man. Which superstar is this going to be?
caught him right in the jaw.
What a shot.
We might be looking at an elimination here.
This could be it.
It's Big Show.
It's a Big Show. Ui, das wird interessant.
Single leg drop kick.
Ja, nee. Aber jetzt muss man mal die realistischen Sachen anschauen, weißt? Normalerweise darf da jeder bei dem Schlag umfallen. Und der Big Show hat überhaupt keine realistische Physik,
Randy Savage
weil
connected with a good
nämlich
shot there. Dig it.
Big Show einfach überhaupt nichts wiegt so für die meisten Wrestler. Also zum Beispiel kann jetzt der schwächste Wrestler einen stärksten hochheben. Also den schwarzen. So, wer wird Nummer, keine Ahnung, was ich hab, Nummer 9.
Oh, and he can definitely
Oh,
make a difference here,
Corbin.
guys. Without a doubt.
Kann man das nicht irgendwie schnell machen? Short. My control. Mir hat gern Bitsche steuern. Ja, das meine ich, ne? Der wiegt 500 Pfund. Der
Guys, Shinsuke
Being
Nakamura
eliminated.
taking full advantage.
So dangerous.
Bam, what a slap. We are moments away from the next entrance.
Ich steuere zwar gerade einen Japaner, aber trotzdem.
What impact?
Nakamura with decimating offense.
He is getting fired up here.
Big punch finds its mark.
Caught him right in the jaw.
What a shot. Using the elbow as a weapon. Oh, I knew that was coming. Scoop slam.
Meine Optionen Steuerung. Ach so, ihr müsst so die Seile hier.
Big boot! Incredible. Get ready. Ooh, that kick. Ooh-wee.
Looks like we might get an elimination, guys.
Ach komm.
Oh, we have a new superstar entering the fray here. This should be interesting.
Hallo, ihr kommt nicht mal raus.
I'd have to agree with Corey's
Piss dich,
comments on
Cole.
the element of surprise. It seems each year
Gut, wenn
I
wir
find
mal da.
myself shocked at some of the
Razor
names we see
Ramon.
competing
Also,
in
denkst
the
du.
Rumble.
That's kind of funny coming from you, Michael, considering
Warum immer Tote?
year 2012
Das ist ja langweilig. Jetzt sind wir schon 2 Tote.
surprise ever.
Byron, I'm undefeated at WrestleMania.
Don't mind this.
Sweet.
Nicely done. Big reversal.
Look at the look on his face.
Oh, yeah, he was super focused.
Oh, this could be it. I'd be shocked if it isn't.
Sauber nicht die DDT.
No, gotta do this.
Quick thinking by Shinsuke
Razor
Nakamura.
Ramon has been eliminated.
Ja, sauber natürlich die Tiere rausgehauen.
Break over, knock you out.
Who's this going to be?
The end is near. Kinshasa.
Kinshasa.
There's the elimination. Win has been eliminated.
DDT.
I wouldn't want to be in the ring now, that's for sure. Oh, what a counter.
Papa Shango. Und DDT.
Lariat. Huge elimination right there. Has been eliminated.
Und nochmal DDT.
Right to the skull.
Papa Shango. Morgen.
Oh, setting him up for the...
Hä, warum kann ich den nicht über die Seile werfen? Einfach bloß, fertig.
The Rainmaker. DDT. Ooh, bullseye.
Big. Oh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent.
Who we got here, guys?
And he looks super motivated.
Axe handle finds the mark. Uh-oh. Setting him up. Oh. Here we go. German suplex.
Und ich wusste, dass der Kurt Hawkins überhaupt
This isn't gonna be pretty. Papa Shango has been eliminated. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully.
vor den hätte ich so schön über den Seele wegdrücken müssen.
Oh, what a knee lift. Looking vulnerable now, guys. Drop kick. Hits the mark.
Byron, look who we have here. This changes the entire complexion of this match. Ooh-wee.
Das Cedric Alexander wird interessant.
Wow, Nakamura throws a hard punch. Here's Nakamura with some offense of his own.
Oh, what a sequence there from Alexander. Calling an audible, I guess.
Yeah, I'm not really sure why. I really thought the elimination was coming.
Boom! Right between the eyes. Oh, the reversal by Shinsuke Nakamura. He might have it here.
I think you're right, Michael.
Going for
Okay, den
something
kriege ich immer
else
noch
here, I
nicht.
guess.
Which is absurd. I'm not sure why you wouldn't want to continue trying for the elimination.
Saw what he had in mind there. Oh, read it there. Inverted suplex.
That hurt. Oh, Corey, he unloaded there.
Whoa, Alexander dodged that one barely.
Oh, kick right in the gut. Clothesline.
He has something big
Velveteen
planned.
Dream has been eliminated.
Belly to back suplex.
suplex.
Oh, yeah, here's Cedric Alexander.
Guys, it's almost time for our next competitor. What do we got here? Oh, no, inverted atomic drop.
Хоть не думаю, что...
Here he comes, and he's got as good a chance as any to win this thing. Maybe a better chance, if you ask me. Straight punch.
No, do this.
Looks to make an elimination.
Randy Savage has been eliminated.
Is Irish, and they're known for their gift of gab.
Anticipated that attack perfectly.
Great way to break down your opponent. Woo-wee.
Oh, perfect kick.
Nakamura able to avoid damage there.
Elbow smash. Shinsuke Nakamura landed one there. Using the elbow as a weapon. I don't think he wants to be in that corner, Byron.
Finn Balor
but he's not
has
moving
been
that way.
eliminated.
Reversal. What a counter.
Oh, right to the spine with the knee.
That was vicious.
Up and around. Great agility there.
Boom, what a kick.
Ow.
Oh, what a right. And some attitude behind it.
Sit out, full Nelson, face buster.
Lariat.
There's the elimination.
Dusty Rhodes has been eliminated.
Alexander looking to take control of this match.
Just caught flush.
This could be an elimination.
I think you're right. Whoa.
Okay, tschüss.
Oh, no.
Shinsuke Nakamura has been eliminated.
Back to the net. Gargano's strike hits the mark.
Whoa, Kurt Hawkins dodged that one. Listen to this crowd count the next one in.
Look out here.
Look at this.
Neckbreaker. Ouch.
Uh-oh, this will
Hello?
shake things up.
You're not kidding, Michael.
Knee right to the midsection.
Look out. And Gargano showing such creativity. Oh, it's going to be great. Look at this.
Gargano's looking to end it. Who's coming out?
He's trying to get him.
Great reversal. I gotta say, I'm impressed.
Oh, you can tell he's got evil intentions on his mind.
In a match like this, you have to, Michael.
Roundhouse kick.
Had it scouted.
Oh, what a clothesline. Boom, did you hear the hit?
What's on the menu
Boom,
tonight?
do you hear that? Alles klar.
Boy, the time just flies, doesn't it?
And it's reversed.
Paying for that mistake.
Brutus Beefcake with a nice reversal.
He's in big trouble. Downward spiral.
See ya.
Reverses. Can he make him pay? Spin kick to the midsection. Bang right in the face.
Oh, stomping away.
Ich tue jetzt einfach mal nix. Schau mal, wo es die anderen dann mitnehmen.
Good Lord. So effective. Uh-oh. What the jump.
What a shot. Moved up. Look out.
Michinoku driver.
Crashing down the hard way.
Pass about 1 minute. What? Ooh-wee.
Elbow right to the back of the
Wie
neck.
habe ich das noch überlebt?
End this. Lariat. Big elimination
Cedric
right there.
Alexander has been eliminated.
Kick right to the leg. That'll sting. And Gargano showing such creativity. Right to the kidneys from behind.
He's one step ahead there.
What does Kurt Hawkins have in store?
Clothesline.
Brutus Beefcake with a nice reversal.
He just punched him in the chest. Bang, right in the face. This could be the end of the road for him, guys.
He won't go easy, though.
Flying forearm. Some serious damage to the arm being inflicted here.
Whack. Oh, God.
Oh, yeah, here's Kurt Hawkins.
Full Nelson slam.
The target's been acquired once more.
He's about to do it. He's about to do it again. Trying for the elimination here. Brutus Beefcake is in position. This could mean trouble.
Face first.
Bang! Saw that one coming. Great counter.
Impressive in-ring IQ on display.
Spinning kick to the gut. Not many can move like that. This adds a whole new dimension to this match, guys.
You're absolutely right, Cole.
Johnny Gargano keeping the pressure on.
He is just dominant right now.
That's a shocking elimination if you ask me. Eliminated in the corner. They just punch him in the chest.
Woo-wee.
Knife edge chop echoing through the arena.
Big punch finds its mark.
How impressive was that reversal? Check out Roderick Strong's offense.
Bang right in the face. You never want to find yourself in a spot like this. There he goes, crashing to the floor.
Gran Metalik has been eliminated.
Punch to the gut.
I'll take the wind right out of you.
He just punched him in the chest. A loop. Set him up. Oh.
That's how you wear down your opponent.
What a smash.
That is just insulting.
Stop pulling the legs down.
That's going to hurt. Tear your hamstring.
This might just be an elimination, guys.
Not going to be easy, though.
Straight punch. Boom. A knee right to the face.
That was just disrespectful.
Caught him right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot.
Oh, Corey, he unloaded there.
Big elbow. Brutus Beefcake with the offense.
Another. Just punishing.
Can he get him?
I don't know, Michael. It's not going to be easy. Boy, the time just flies, doesn't it?
Oh, and it's Gulak turning the tables.
This guy has what it takes to make a major impact here.
Eu não quero abrir.
Expect to make some noise here tonight.
Point of the elbow, nailed it.
Brutus Beefcake with a nice reversal.
Oh, right to the gut. The Irish curse. Knife edge chop.
High knee right between the shoulders.
Who's it going to be? Check out Roderick Strong's offense.
What a punch. An inverted atomic drop. Very nice.
Boa, tô grimy.
Elbow drop. Piercing.
Oh, what a right hook. Oh, Corey, he unloaded there.
Someone's going to be walking funny after that.
Ooh. Oh, my goodness, what a knee strike. Ouch. Nice sharp backhand. Oh, nasty impact. Really just laying it in.
Oh, what impact. Oh, God, what an elbow. Whack. Oh, God. Oh, kick right in the gut. Step company. I think Sting is done crying. Gets him with the counter. Ooh, Stinger.
Ja, Scorpion Death Drop.
Look out, a possible elimination coming up. Boom, right in the button.
Up into the fireman's carry.
And boom! And finds a counter.
Listen to this crowd count the next one in. Check out Rude's offense. Oh, good night. Wow, this shakes
Things up a bit, to say the least. Possible elimination, Corey. More like a definite elimination, if you ask me.
Wahrscheinlich der stärkste überhaupt in der ganzen Runde. Einfach der Brock Lesnar. Natürlich kann es jetzt aber auch sein, dass natürlich jetzt auch allerdings der Steve Austin auf einmal herkommt, der wohl, ja, sagen wir es mal so, begehrteste Wrestler aller Zeiten. Das kann natürlich jetzt auch passieren. Wie ist eigentlich Roderick Strong immer noch drin? Hopp. Ja, multiple Powerbomb.
Brutus Beefcake with a nice reversal.
Beefcake looking on his game right now. Oh, uncorked a big punch right across the face.
And Roddy Piper slips out of harm's way.
High knee right between the shoulders. Bang right in the face. Oh, what a clothesline. Steve has been eliminated.
Oh, short. Wir können wir irgendwie wieder mal Roddy Piper.
That is a great reversal.
Oh, my God.
Look out, this changes things big time.
No.
Das könnte jetzt... Ja, gut. Boah, du hast dem nicht gerade jetzt doch deine Klatsch. F5! Alter, ich hab grad... Alter. Hallo Casco. Oder so. Ich hab mich erstmal gelatzt wie in der Schule. Junge, der flackt immer noch rum. Der Typ wäre nach einem F5 einfach immer noch genauso wie davor.
Toss him out here, guys.
I think he's got him.
Fisherman suplex. That's elimination.
Das war kein Fisherman Suplex, das war ein Unfall-Suplex.
That's how you stop your opponent.
An impressive series of moves. Looks like no.
Es kommt nur noch einer.
Whoa, Brood able to avoid damage. Nice. Clothesline. What impact.
Here we go, guys. Elimination coming up.
Brock Lesnar with a nice reversal.
Ja, Suplex City, Bitch. So, jetzt kommt der letzte. Aber Brock Lesnar ist einfach der allerbeste überhaupt. Fantago, Junge, was will der denn? So, Nummer F5, das wär's. Der hebt ihn hoch, was er fliegen, weißt du? Der Typ wiegt fast 400 Pfund. Naja, piss dir, Rude. Du bist nicht erwünscht. So, und jetzt haust dem Money aus Mai. Hey, bleib du vorhin nicht die ganze Zeit so stehen, gell?
Gloriously delivered. A fisherman suplex.
And there's the elimination.
Has been eliminated.
Clothesline takes him down. Forget about it.
Wie kann Fantago? Dieser Mongo, auf gut Deutsch wollte ich schon fast sagen.
Nice job by Brock Lesnar there.
Wie kann der...
Nice. Check out Brood's offense.
And down.
Brock Lesnar just too fast for him.
Lightning speed from the beast.
Komm schon, steh auf.
What's coming next? Taking their time.
And the instinct from Fandango on
Geht doch.
Bang right in the face. Oh, right to the spine with the knee.
that was vicious.
Launched
with a belly.
Wahrscheinlich, weil aber dieser geht, gell?
Nice amateur takedown.
Ich glaube, das wäre das erste 30-Mann Royal Rumble, wo sie gewinnen. Weil 20 Mann habe ich schon ewig viel gewonnen.
Oh, the reversal by Brock Lesnar. Wicked body shot.
Er hat doch countered! Er kontert, man, nicht countert. Counter-Strike. Daneben! Kann ich die bitte eliminieren? Okay, nein, kann ich nicht. So, Bruto. Hat er gerade beide umgeschmissen? Warum bin eigentlich ich der aus Nummer 27 gekommen ist? Aus der Glückszahl von Royal Rumbles überhaupt? Hui! Bam! Direkt mit mir ins Gesicht. Warum bin jetzt eigentlich ich der mit dem meisten Leben, der aber irgendwie am meisten kassiert hat? Ich glaube, da braucht er ein paar Schläge. Schade. Das wäre jetzt ein Ding zwischen uns zwei.
Strowman doing a great job of turning that around.
Suplex. Ja, toss mir.
Oh, the monster among men. Look at the power. Have you ever seen a human being tossed like that? Look at Braun Strowman stalking him.
Die hat schon Error-System im Hirn aktiviert. So, jetzt stehst du schon auf. Machen wir den Irish Whip hin. Und draußen bist. Und das ist, warum ich dieses Spiel liebe. Und damit bin ich jetzt auch an das Champion. European.
Impressive showing for the win tonight. Wow, he absolutely manhandled him there toward the end. That'll do it for this year's Royal Rumble match.
Stimmt, jetzt was man, wo es gerade spielt. Kann ich eigentlich an so Rock hernehmen. Waffen nehme ich natürlich wieder mit. Schwarze Baseballschläger. Fällt bloß nur das Ding. Bestätigen. Ich mach Nummer 7. Obwohl, ne. Nummer 7. Machen wir. Nummer 3. Titelkampf ein. Championship. Soll ich auf meinen eigenen Wetten, falls ich ihn finde? Kann ich eigentlich Undisputed Championship WWE Championship Nothing simple just guts. Too strong. Puppets. Ja, wissen wir schon. Oh, Triple H. Yo, das ist jetzt so eine Worte gekommen. Ah, das wird interessant. Schaut, dass wir aber nicht bei 1 gegen 1 Matches aufs Zubehör machen können. Also das ist halt dein Charakter, deswegen kommst du den Gegner zu
It
verlassen.
wouldn't be pay-per-view without the game.
Genau. Das ist
Introducing the
Triple H.
participants. First, from Greenwich, Connecticut, weighing in at 255 pounds, the King.
Boah.
This is Triple H's world. The spotlight is his home. A Grand Slam champion. One of the all-time...
Alright, machen wir weiter. Wer zur Hölle? Die Generation X.
The best kept secret.
Buddy Murphy, ernsthaft. Brakamensch. Piss dich, Udo.
When brands emerge in WWE, you get a title match like this. The Undisputed Championship is on the line, ladies and gentlemen.
And undisputed is the operative word here. There will be no doubt that the winner here is one of the best in the business. Man.
We're moments away from yet another gladiator entering the Rumble.
Down, what a gourd buster.
Corey, what do you think of his chances here tonight?
Junge Nummer 3.
Definitely have him on my
Austritt.
short list of favorites.
He has become relentless at this point.
This is what he feeds off of.
And neck breaker.
Man, that was nasty.
In the face.
Ooh, stiff right hand.
Game over. Who's it gonna be, fellas?
Oh, he's in a bad spot now.
Yeah, he's got to find a way out of that corner.
Long way down. Oh, what a clothesline.
Forcefully delivered.
Look who's coming now, guys.
This could be a game changer, Michael. Man, what a clothesline.
Jetzt mal 2 Triple H's.
Elbow drop.
Now trampling the opposition.
Whoa, Triple H dodged that one.
Das wär's auch. Triple H gegen Triple H.
Homework heading into this.
Oder die Undertaker und der Undertaker und der Undertaker.
Of the Rumble to seize the opportunity. A lifetime.
You have to feel out your opponents and pace yourself. Size them up to see the best way to eliminate them. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Utilize a methodical, ground-based attack, and it can benefit you greatly.
And remember, a superstar must go over the top rope with both feet touching the floor to be eliminated. The Rock turns it around. Knife edge chop.
Ooh-wee.
The offense of The Rock is working well right now. Triple H doing a great job of turning that around.
Incredible technical prowess from The Rock.
Here he comes, and he's got as good a chance as any to win this thing.
Maybe a better chance if you ask me.
An overhead chop.
Samoan Drop.
Hurry.
Hä?
What a punch. Using the elbow as a weapon. Clothesline over the top.
Man. Oh, nasty impact.
Up fast. Spine buster.
Down hard.
Rock just barely got out of the way.
So quick. Oh, and a cheap shot right above the eye.
There it is. Followed by the people's chair.
Watch this here.
Sit out pile driver.
Finds a way to reverse. Man, Triple H, what offense. Oh, kick right to the gut. Trying for the elimination here. O'Neal with a strategically placed shot. Wide.
Oh, right up there.
Boom! Right between the eyes. Oh, Corey, he unloaded there.
Nice job by Dusty Rhodes there.
Bang right in the face. Straight punch. Oh, rock kick. He's bringing it back inside the ring now. Fending off the elimination here.
This is an elimination for sure, Cole. There's no use fighting it. Your favorite call?
Oh, the low punch.
Triple H doing a great job of turning that around.
Great agility there. Big punch finds its mark. What's he going to do with it? Setting him up for the... What a shot. In the face.
Also es ist dasselbe schon 5 verdient.
Textbook vertical suplex. Bam. Was tossed. She could airline knock.
Was geht da ab?
And it's The Rock with the reversal. Oh, Corey, he unloaded there.
Looking to toss him out here, guys.
I think he's got him.
Spinebuster. Finisher.
Clothesline.
Ja.
Oh my goodness! I didn't know he had it in him. Look, here it is. Eliminated.
Der Papers Elbow. Warum nicht?
Well measured strike.
Oder ihr habt da gerade einen Finisher ins Mic haut.
What a counter! Looks like we might get an elimination, guys. Straight punch. Stop pulling leg snap. That's gonna hurt. Tear your hamstring. Wasn't expecting that. Hits him with a counter.
Der hat mir gerade in die Ringseite verhängt.
Point of the elbow, nailed it. Look out. Titus O'Neil just so incredibly powerful. All the way from the top. That one fails to connect. And he'll likely pay for it here. Look out.
Titus O'Neil is measuring.
Oder das, die Rhodes ist jetzt einfach mal.
Back elbow.
Did you see that? Over the top, maybe. There may be no fighting free from this.
Ja, komm, die Elimination krieg ich doch. Ja. Merci.
Dusty Rhodes has been eliminated.
Not looking good right now.
He might have him here. I think you're right, Michael.
Jetzt ist es Nummer 9.
Attack now. Up fast. Lands him with a spine buster.
The People's Champ. Are you ready for the most electrifying?
Divine move from sports and intense.
Everyone is on their feet in this building. Absolutely showing the respect for all the exertion.
Der Papers Elbow.
Putting each other through. He might have been waiting on that one. Bang right in the face. Oh, wow.
So, und jetzt kommst du, Heath Slater. Du 5er Gilf-Mode.
Got the leg. Right in the jaw. What a shot.
Ich hab nix dort können.
Right in the bottom.
Well measured.
Oder Murphy, ja für die Spinebuster. Die Spinebuster vor allem. Beste Begriff der Welt.
That'll turn your lights out.
Oh, yeah, here's The Rock. Oh, and a terrific reversal by Triple H.
Uh-oh, captured. Right in the kidney. Golly. Looks to make an elimination.
Stick it up right in your candy ass. Mehr sage ich dazu nicht. Was zur Hölle? Da ist doch der Spinebuster drin. Kane, aber doch gewusst, dass der irgendwann einmal kommt. Das ist doch auf gleich schon mal voll der Ding. Der Royal Rumble King, Alter. Der war schon in 19 Royal Rumbles dabei, also das musst du auch mal bedingen. Heath Slater, du Sau. Rock Bottom!
And Triple H showing such creativity. Short arm clothesline. Backbreaker classic. Game. Devastating elbow. Wicked body shot.
Oh, leck!
Back soup.
Der Kane wird schwierig.
Goodness, crushing it.
Ich tue einfach nix. Ich lasse meinen Controller nur zwischen zwei Fingern einfach drin.
Elimination has been eliminated.
Der macht alles schon selber. Ich tue nix.
Breaking down the opponent. That's
Mir
how
fällt
you
gerade
wear
auf,
your opponent.
wenn wir 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Leute.
This is a big risk. Will it pay off?
Das ist jetzt dann im nächsten Mal.
Oh, look at this. Oh, pump
Ich
handle.
glaube, dass der Rock hat sich selbstständig gemacht.
Goodness, crushing it. Oh, and a terrific.
Buddy Murphy with the setup.
Pedigree.
Talk about dismantling your opponent.
Oh, had that well scouted. Ah, kick. Nasty kick. Taking out the arm. Great strategy.
The offense of The Rock is working well right now. Sit out pile driver.
Können wir mal bauen, bitte?
Oh, kick right to the gut. Oh my goodness, crushing it. Amazing reflexes on display. Trying for the elimination now.
Gonna have to try a little harder than this. That's how you wear down your opponent.
Buddy Murphy has been eliminated.
Damage inflicted.
And a damaging blow.
Triple H is on the
Der Triple H haut sich einfach selber. Er haut sich einfach eiskalt selber.
Goodness, crushing it. Can he get him?
I don't know, Michael.
Früher ist der Rock gar nicht mehr, der macht sich selbstständig.
Oh yeah, here's The Rock.
Der Rock macht jetzt sein eigenes Business.
Serious damage.
Apropos Business. Die Fettsack GmbH, keine Ahnung. Ja, ist die Fettsack GmbH.
Attacking the arm.
Triple H
Break down your
has been eliminated. Das ist eine kleine Nummer. Triple H has been eliminated.
Oh, nasty impact.
Ja, endlich! Kann er mal wieder spulen? Super, jetzt hat er allerdings null Power mehr, gar keine mehr. Also entweder ist dieser gescheit starker Bug,
Here we go, guys. Elimination coming up.
oder
Oh my
ich
God.
bin einfach ein bisschen Zuffer.
Spiked them. Listen to this place. Set up for a second.
And it's The Rock with the reversal. Triple H has him set up. Pedigree.
Oh, kick right to the gut. Here we go. The Rock is in position.
Look, Triple H is on the attack now.
There it is.
Ooh, what impact. He's hurting now. Maybe he doesn't
No
get
more.
He's going to be hurting even worse.
There it is.
Bottom.
Kann ich nochmal einen Rock Bottom machen? Tatsächlich, ich kann nochmal einen machen. Ja lol, ich bin immer noch der mit den meisten HP, weil mir hier einer angreift. Wegen dem scheiß Bug. Aber die ganze Zeit, die Finisher, die mache ich selber. Nein, Kate greife ich nicht mehr, der ist verbuggt irgendwie oder sowas.
DDT.
Kann ich nochmal. Ich möchte so gerne nochmal. Rock Bottom. Du hast dich schon echt geschlafen. Bist du K.O. gegangen?
Oh, Corey, he unloaded
Boah, jetzt hau dazu. Jetzt wird er listig.
No luck against Kane there. The Rock turns it around.
Alter, nach 3 Finisher, was ist mit dir?
Oh, Triple H done.
Was hältst du aus? So, jetzt ganz!
Going to work now.
Clothesline. Shoulder right in the midsection. Caught him right in the jaw. Oh, what a shot. And that's an elimination right there, guys. With an exclamation point, no less. Over and over.
One of the reasons Triple H is so dangerous is that he's so smart.
Alright. Das geht jetzt beide auf mich.
He's one step ahead there. Great technical know-how on display.
Also entweder macht die Spur jetzt mal wirklich Sinn und der Triple H hilft mir, weil wir uns doch schon lang kennen im echten Leben halt.
Wow, what a sequence. Got him caught. Uh-oh. Dragon screw.
Oder Hilft mir nicht. Und ihr macht einfach einen Fuhren-so-einen-Move. Wir sind zwar irgendwie in irgendeiner Weise Rivalen, also wer Fluch der Karibik 3 gesehen hat, sollte zufällig wissen, wo sie meinen.
And it's The Rock with the reversal. Could very well get dumped out here. Possible elimination, Corey.
More like a definite elimination, if you ask me.
Na nix Definite Elimination.
Barely got out of the way.
So quick. What a hurricanrana.
I am feeling a titanic shift roaring through this crowd right now.
Well, you're not the only one, Saxton. It's all coming to a head now.
And Lince Dorado slips out of harm's way.
Rock lands him with a spine buster. Incredible technical prowess from The Rock.
Oh, able to counter.
Clothesline.
The Rock turns it around.
Whoa, not so
Nein,
fast.
ich will dieses Match gewinnen.
Clothesline. Oh, that'll leave a mark.
Rock Bottom! Kann ich mir jetzt mal ein bisschen ausruhen? Gangert das
Comes.
im Leben? War das was?
There it is. And Lince Dorado.
Ha, weißt du, was ich dir sag? Gibt's ja einen kleinen Rock Bottom.
Flipping the script on him there.
Aber nicht für dich. Triple H.
Got the leg. Bang and screw. That'll tear your knee up.
Heavy duty right hand.
Wie ist Triple H auf Platz 1 der Entrances immer noch da? Wie? Oh, komm schon. Ich war die ganze Zeit drin.
Caught him right in the jaw.
Ugh, what a shot.
What a punch.
Multiple stomps.
Outrageous athleticism on the Hurricanrana.
It's over.
That might go down as one of the greatest Royal Rumbles of all time. Proud I was able to be a part of it.
Wie oft ich jemanden das Bein bastet habe, Alter.
Here is your
20 Mal.
winner, Lince Dorado.
Ewige
That's
Nummer
a big
1.
win right there.
Ja, jetzt hat der 2 Champion-Titel. The Rock in the Bank, Money in the Bank, Money in the Bank. Das wird interessant.
If there's ever been a man who belongs on the big stage, it's the Beast.
The following contest is scheduled for one fall. Introducing first, from Minneapolis, Minnesota, weighing in at 295 pounds, the WWE United States Champion, Brock Lesnar.
Lesnar is the one true constant here in WWE. No matter the opponent, no matter the odds, he seems to always find the win and leave the other man broken in the process.
I don't know how any man can climb in the ring with Lesnar with even the slightest hope of a victory.
Hey, that's the thing, guys. Anything can happen in WWE, and any man who can beat the Beast instantly becomes a legend.
Ja, wer das Biest besiegt, wird sofort eine Legende. Der Stream sagt, oh, WWE 2K15. Stimmt allerdings nicht. Weil es 2020 ist. Also besser gesagt, das ist 2019 erfunden worden. Also gemacht worden. Oh, leck! Jetzt kommt das aus dem... Okay, ich bin seit 60 Minuten live.
And his partners, from Victoria, Texas, weighing in at 200 252 pounds, Stone
Cold Steve Austin.
I'd be making sure I didn't get on the bad side of Stone Cold. Man, he don't look too happy right now.
I talked to Stone Cold backstage earlier today. He despises you, Saxton.
Is that true?
You know what? Why don't you guys call this one? I'm going to go back and throw some Steve Weisers on ice so that when Austin's done, we can celebrate proper.
Can you grab me a water when you're back there?
Who's next?
Beste Wrestler aller Zeiten, meiner Meinung nach. Goldberg, Goldberg.
representing American Alpha from Atlanta, Georgia, weighing in at 270 pounds, the WWE Universal Champion, Goldberg!
And Goldberg has consistently maintained an aura of being unstoppable, but Goldberg has consistently backed it up inside the ring.
Vor allem, es macht überhaupt keinen Sinn. Und zwar, 2016 hat er mit der Goldberg schon einen weißen Bart gehabt. Das ganze Spiel ist 2019 rausgekommen. Es macht also keinen Sinn, dass der da noch einen braunen Bart hat.
Dominance personified. That is Goldberg.
Here comes the Phenom.
Oh ja, Gegner können überspringen. Jetzt kommt der Chef.
Happy Rusev Day.
And from Bulgaria, weighing in at 304 pounds, the Bulgarian Brute, Rusev!
Byron, what's the name of this network special? You know what? It doesn't matter. It's a Rusev Day special.
Do you ever stop buying into this nonsense known as Rusev
It's
Day?
not
This
nonsense.
fake holiday?
The most dangerous man in...
The superstars are ready, and so are we. Here we go. Brock Lesnar still enters every match as the odds-on favorite.
Es wird interessant.
Predict a Lesnar loss, Saxton, because you can enter Suplex City.
Austin hits a stunner.
Now's the time
Und
to
again.
capitalize. Stone Cold can draw the curtains on this fight. Stone Cold Stunner!
It's over. That's his go-to move. Can he finish this off?
Might not have been effective the first time, but the second time's the charm.
Shane McMahon has been
That
eliminated.
might just do it. Yet another big move, guys.
Toss to the outside.
Nobody tells Mr. McMahon what to do, but he might
Mit dem volle Kanne mit dem Arm im Ding eine Kaul.
Elbow to the knee.
That'll hyperextend your leg.
Nice neck breaker.
Hooked up and boom! Backdrop suplex. On a high angle, right across the shoulders.
Bang right in the face. Mr. McMahon knows how to polish off an opponent. Oh, and a terrific reversal by Steve Austin. He's bringing it back inside the ring now. Exiting the ring. Very interesting game plan here. Close quarters. Oh, what a knee.
Gotta find a way to get out of this. Ooh, dropped right on their face.
Really needs to get to the corner and make a tag.
Otherwise, this match may be over sooner than later.
Look out, he's almost there. If he doesn't make the tag, they're in big trouble here, Cole.
Yes, come on.
Momentum has certainly shifted here, Michael.
Goldberg setting him up. Here it comes, Byron.
We're gonna see it. We're gonna see it. We're gonna see the down with the jackhammer.
And Goldberg with the early cover.
Looking to catch him off guard there, I guess.
Gonna take more than that. Here's Goldberg in position now. Goldberg setting him up. Here it comes, Byron.
We're gonna see it. We're gonna
Running. Situation just got real bad. Apparently a change in plans here.
Scheiß Ringrichter.
He knows.
Komm jetzt der Ringrichter oder was? Komm jetzt der Ringrichter, Jackhammer. Und ich glaub, ich bin. Na okay, ich schon der Mr. McMahon.
Setting him up. Here it comes, Byron. We're gonna see it. We're gonna see it.
Machen wir's oder so?
Mr. McMahon has been eliminated. His hand. But now can Goldberg capitalize? Boom! What a forearm.
Goldberg with his dramatic offense. Goldberg is looking golden right
Taker, it's your time. Rusev time.
Abdominal stretch. It's locked in.
This is a great way to wear down your opponent.
Yo!
Taker has him up.
Down! Stone! Pile driver.
Certainly do it.
Someone's going to be black and blue tomorrow. He gets his shoulder up.
Das wird die Saison,
There's
Alter.
a reason he's a multiple-time United States champion, folks.
Oh, das wird interessant.
Gonna climb to the top rope, looking for a little old school. Hoping to make a tag here.
It sounds like there are a lot of people here tonight
Okay.
hoping for the exact same thing.
Looks like we're gonna get the tag.
I think you're right, Michael.
Boom. There's the tag.
Great decision. Uh-oh, there it is. The clutch is in. Good job getting to the ropes there.
Yeah, that could have been bad. And it's The Undertaker.
Sent to the outside. Looking for his next form of attack.
Oh my god. Suicide dive!
Glad I put my money on that guy tonight.
Now that's going for it all.
Let's take another look at this.
This is awesome. Junge, geil.
Here we go. The Undertaker is setting it up. Bring out the body bags. This one's about to end.
Down.
Eliminated.
This deep into a match is where trouble rises, where injuries may occur. You got to think long-term and consider your future fights.
And I guarantee you that throwing in the towel is the furthest thing these superstars are thinking about. And what a reversal from Rusev. Back now inside the ring. Whoa, The Undertaker dodged that one.
Ja, endlich der Chokeslam.
And a quick cover from The Undertaker. And a kick out. Tried for it early.
Junge, wir haben doch alle. Der bloß nur einen.
Big right. The Undertaker has it up.
Boom, Stone.
Pile driver.
Look at this. Curious decision there, Michael.
Ne. Brock,
Tagged in.
jetzt reicht's.
Stomping down. And Lesnar stalking.
Oh, ich muss unbedingt sagen, das F5.
Oh no.
Aber ich glaube, dann ist es schon aus.
There's an F5 coming through.
That kind of move makes a statement. Can Rusev stay in this
Hau!
after that?
Puff! Hau! Hau! Hau einfach zu!
I don't think anybody can stop the beast incarnate. And cover.
Na, so.
Has been eliminated.
What a performance. Was there ever any doubt?
That had to be one of the matches of the year. Let's take another look at some of the action.
Boah, der Suicide Dive war krass.
Here are your winners.
And there's your winner via pinfall.
Now that's having a game plan and executing it to perfection.
As hard as it will be not to think about that amazing match we just saw, we must move on here, guys.
Boah, geil. Batiste, ne, wohl, na. Wurscht. Immer wieder ein Undertaker. Vor allem der Kane wird interessant. WrestleMania 32, Matchoptionen, KO, Pin oder Aufgabe, Disqualifikation aus, Rope Break automatisch, ja, Ring Out, ohne Count, Elimination ein, Force Count Anywhere, kein Limit, Finisher Match Beginn 3, ja. Einzüge machen wir jetzt aber aus. Das ist ja absolut nervig.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're ready to get this match started.
And across the way is Seth Rollins, who
Bring out the body bags. This one's about to end.
He weaves out of the way.
Tschüss.
Undertaker has it all.
Pile driver.
How do you come back from that?
That is a huge opening for The Undertaker.
But what will we do?
Boah, das war's.
Way too early to be going for the win.
Gets the
Brock.
tag.
Ich wechsle jetzt einfach mal ein bisschen mehr durch. Geladener Finisher. Gut gemacht.
Lesnar is setting it up.
Brace for impact. Here it comes. The Beast Incarnate with an...
Seth Rollins has been eliminated.
Oh, das wäre interessant.
Uh-oh. Wait a minute.
Here we
Kann ich...
Picture perfect execution.
Yeah, talk about a bumpy landing.
Yeah, try again. There is no way that is going to topple the Beast Incarnate.
Clothesline takes him down.
Forget about it.
He's in trouble.
He's looking for yet another
Exclamation mark.
Face buster. Man, that was vicious. Referee in position. Can you believe
Nein, eine Millimetersekunde.
perhaps feeling a little more comfortable on the outside at this point?
This is going to be big.
Big Show, du bist jetzt Big Down.
Dropped.
Here we go. The Undertaker is setting it up.
Come on, come on.
The Undertaker.
Weil der Undertaker kann niemals einen Big Show heben, auch wenn er die größte Legende ist aller Zeiten, aber
This one away. A second spot on the highlight reel.
ja,
Been eliminated.
What's he got in mind?
Rusev, Matka, Rusev, Scheißhaus. Boom!
Leaping tombstone. The opening is there for the taking.
Aber er wird rauskicken.
Closes the book.
Was?
Has been eliminated.
Der Undertaker rasiert. Undertaker wird Friseur.
In up the tag
Denn
is
mein Bruder machst allerdings du.
And Kane manages to reverse out of that one. Down to the floor.
So schlimm ist er, Bruder. Er darf das. Was mit dir, Put? Kaputt. Au.
Caught him with a big boot. On the mark.
Steve Austin doing a great job of turning.
Stunner! Stone Cold with a stunner!
Meet him
Stone Cold Stunner. Ja. Steh auf, steh auf, steh auf.
Stone Cold Stunner! It's over! Amazing execution. That might be the end of Kane tonight.
It's the end of his career. Goldberg, hallo?
tagged in.
Is he really? My God, Goldberg's climbing the ropes.
Goldberg.
So, was ist das jetzt, hä? Ah, du bist am Arsch, Ken. Gewonnen.
He's got it. He's looking for the win. The Undertaker gets the W.
Eliminated.
Undertaker wins it. These superstars put on quite a show. Here's another look.
Here are your winners.
They proved who the better competitor was
So,
tonight.
ja, mal jetzt Brothers of Destruction versus Wyatt, aber das war's dann noch. Für heute. Leute. 12-2. Nein, nicht normal. Extreme Rules. Na, ich hätte eher mir gerne einen Undertaker machen. Als ein Kane, weil, ja. Ich glaube, der Undertaker hat ein höhere Ding. Okay, das singen wir jetzt gleich. Undertaker 02 nicht mehr. Okay, 90. Ach, wo geht denn ich hin, Alter? Bin ich besoffen oder so? Höchstwahrscheinlich. Kane 80 sogar. Oder, na, Kane. Nee, das machen wir ein ganz normales Extreme Rules Match. Dann Bray Wyatt bei B. Bray Wyatt und wie hat der denn wieder geheißen? Ja, Luke Harper. Junge, der Harper ist einfach stärker wie Bray Wyatt. Andersrum. Das möchte ich schon sagen. Tag Team Champions. Wenn wir den verlieren, hole ich ihn mir beim nächsten Mal wieder zurück. Das sage ich dir. Und wenn ich bis 12 spiele, ist mir egal. Diese behalte ich. Übrigens, ich habe jetzt schon 18 Tag Team Champions, also 18 Titel gewonnen. Aber hab's öfters mal wieder verloren.
Kick this thing off.
And many people are predicting a new champion being crowned here tonight. That seems a bit premature to me, though.
German Suplex. So warum machten die einen German Suplex?
Any of that. Perhaps he's thinking the ring can't contain what he has in mind here.
Hooked up. Oh, an overhand punch. Boot right in the jaw.
Oh, mat slam with some attitude.
Du hast einen 90er Wert. Hallo.
And he's heading back in.
He evades the attack. Ooh, right to the gut. Big boot.
Da ist der Basie.
The Undertaker got him there. That connected. I think that was harder than the first time, Cole.
Schmeiß runter den Kas.
Boom. KO punch. Ooh, what a punch.
That's how you stop your opponent. Big elbow.
Boah, unter dem. Boah, das ist fies.
Unbelievable.
Unter dem, dass er gegen Trinkecken knallt.
This is not good at all.
Stomping down.
Wer da von mir mit dem Basic haut.
Just sending a message there.
Wow, can't believe the Undertaker got out of that one.
Daneben. Good Nacht. Good Nacht.
I'm the eater of words.
Dein Mom ist die Eat of World.
Oh, look at this. So powerful.
The challenger eating up some damage.
We're gonna see it.
Boom. Boot.
Nice.
So, jetzt langt's mal. Ach, komm schon.
Going for the ride.
Oh, incredible combo.
So, jetzt aber. Chokeslam.
Slam from the Undertaker.
Here we go. The Undertaker is setting it up.
Nein, du Depp!
I think Undertaker's opponent's about to take his last ride.
Oh my God!
We could have a new champion.
But now, can Undertaker capitalize?
Alter, lass meinen Bruder in Ruhe, du Wurm. Lass mich vorbei. Also für das kriegst du jetzt auch nicht mit dem Basic Donut.
Relying on that tonight.
Harper just barely got out of the way.
Jetzt wenn keiner mitgehauen.
Point of the elbow, nailed it. Here comes the Undertaker with a flying clothesline. Oh, Corey, he unloaded there.
The Undertaker is moving
Warum kann ich an keinen hauen? Das macht keinen Sinn.
Undertaker looking to bury another victim.
Oh, nasty impact. Devastating kick.
The Undertaker is not someone to sleep on.
Ooh, what impact.
What the fuck?
Bray Wyatt doing some good work here.
The effects of this match are showing on the champ. Doing
Papa,
some
hallo,
real
bist du
damage
verwirrt?
here.
Michael, that is so
Ja,
dangerous.
ich mach dir übelst viel Damage. Das ist nur ein guter Hinweis.
Oh, and a double axe handle. Incredible height.
Back between the ropes.
Caught him with a big boot.
On the mark. And he gets out of there in a hurry.
Looks like he needs to regroup. Get his thoughts together.
Da könnte man aufhören.
Oh, harsh impact.
Auf Kane zu gehen.
Man.
Ja, der tut mir richtig leid, der Junge.
We've seen in the match would have already ended most superstars.
Ihr merkt jetzt Chokeslammen.
Resilience we're seeing is off the charts.
Oder immer wieder Oh my God machen.
And Undertaker showing such creativity. What's coming next? A back suplex.
Undertaker looking mortal here.
And oh, that hurt.
Lives to fight another day.
Daisy.
Dangerous out here, especially when there are no countouts.
Did you see the height on that clothesline?
Warum nimmt der...
Again. Hey, it seems to be working for him. Boom, what impact.
The Undertaker is not someone to sleep on.
Oh, watch these rapid fire body shots from the dead man.
Oh. Die Konzerten finde ich schon mal.
Here's Bray Wyatt in position now.
Kane, hilf mir.
And it's the Undertaker.
I think Undertaker's opponent's about to take his...
Ja, du hast gerade dein Familienmitglied einfach so auf den Kopf fallen lassen. Das war jetzt nicht eh schon.
Right in there. KO punch.
Hallo, mir hat einen Chokeslam, bitte.
Boom, what impact.
Chokeslam. Hallo.
The Undertaker.
Aber nein, ich kann ihn finishen. Ist auch okay. Okay, dann Chokeslam ihn halt.
Going for the ride. Chokeslam. The challenger being
Ja,
outclassed
ich glaube,
here.
der
I think this one's over.
Kane ist gut beschäftigt. Der will auch nochmal. Geladener Finisher. So, haben wir das zweite Mal raus.
think Undertaker's opponent's about to take his last ride. The WWE Universe is on its feet. And deservedly so. These superstars are holding nothing back.
Warte mal, ziehen. Okay. Bin so am Boden liegen.
I think Undertaker's opponent's about to take his last ride. Oh my God! Gonna see a new chick. And here we go.
Au.
The Boston Crab. Look at the back position.
So, Hopper, das kriegst du zurück. Komm her, Hopper.
Gasping for air now. Yeah, he's taking a lot of damage to that torso region, and I think it's starting to add up. Kane is just messing with his opponent now.
And he's heading back in.
Macht ja aber weiter drum.
Monster Kane lifted him up high. Tombstone piles.
Ihr habt seltsame Pläne, aber ich hab sie. Ach Mann, oh, jetzt wird die nur...
The winners. And here's another glance
Egal.
at these superstars in action.
Here are your winners, and still Raw Tag Team Champions, Kane and The Undertaker.
Great job by these two tonight in this brutal Tornado Tag Team match.
It's really quite scary when you think about just how good the tag champs have been of late.
So, ich mache jetzt das allerletzte Match noch. Mir wundert sich, dass sie meine Mom noch nicht gehört hat. Handicap 2 vs 3. Undertaker. Disqualifikation natürlich aus. Wegen Out. Ohne Count. First Count Anywhere. Ui, ich kann jetzt Lortern und Tisch hier nehmen. Klapptisch. Haben wir zwei mit Stühle. Jawohl, ne. Die nehmen wir dann einfach die Lortern. So, ich gehe ganz kurz auf die Toilette und dann komme ich wieder. Okay.
I understand every WWE superstar thinks they're unbeatable, but this match is a risky way to show it. This has danger written all over it. You have to be careful of opponents who have no interest in winning the match, but consumed with punishing you for their own gain.
I have to agree with you. Unless the odds are in your favor, this is a battle you want to stay away from.
This is one of the perils of a handicap match.
Kane is looking to end this.
Dies wird interessant.
Kane, oh boy.
Vorher habe ich übrigens was vergessen, wo ich... Nein, heute war der Kane nicht dabei. Dass ich nämlich der Kane mit dem Big Show sehr gut versteht.
Kane, oh boy. Choke slam. Head to the pin.
Kane going for an early pin.
Noch 2 Finisher.
He kicks out before 3.
Clearly not enough damage done.
In a matchup like this, Byron, talk about the importance of keeping the fresh competitor in the ring.
Oh, it's crucial. One of the most effective ways of taking advantage of outnumbering your opponent.
Cut the ring in half and keep the fresher person in the ring. Kane leaving scorched destruction in his wake, just producing an onslaught.
From the middle rope. Oh, what a splash!
Kane looking at this quickly.
And he kicks out.
Definitely has his work cut out for him.
Thank you once again for joining us at November's longest running sports entertainment event. This is Survivor Series.
Might have slipped there, Cole.
Oh, European uppercut. What technical prowess from Kofi Kingston. Textbook jumping clothesline. Oof. It's not looking good for him here.
He's got to get out of that corner.
Double axe handle smash. Big punch finds its mark.
With a 180, Kofi Kingston, the reversal. Kane making a statement as we speak.
Boah, das wird interessant.
And he fights his way free.
He's got to be working on instinct.
Snapmare.
Oh, man.
Not safe yet. Tagged in.
Ach komm.
Kane, oh boy.
Desperately trying to get to the corner now.
It's not going to be easy though, Michael.
Tag made.
Oh, I think something bad is about to happen to their opponent.
The Undertaker makes the tag.
The Undertaker has him up. Undertaker. Base slam. Oh, that hurt.
Look at
Bring out the body bags. This one's about to end.
he is in complete control. That'll likely do it, Michael.
Plenty of fight left. He may be the dead man, but Taker ain't laying down for anybody.
For the first time tonight, Xavier.
Another big move. Leaping high.
The Undertaker has been eliminated.
What a display of athleticism. Hey, I guess you never know.
And Kane manages to reverse out of that one.
Bang! KO punch. No quarter being given by either competitor. You have to believe this one's going to be decided by the smallest of margins.
Oh, and he breaks free. But the damage might have already been done, Michael.
And it's Kane answering back. And no luck against Kane there. He's one step ahead there.
Great technical know-how on display.
Kane, oh boy. Lightning fast reflexes.
Clothesline takes him down. Forget about it.
Kane, oh boy.
Slam. Can he do it here?
And there's the elimination.
Xavier Woods has been eliminated.
Kane, oh boy. Choke slam.
Good luck getting up from that. All that's left now is for Kane to finish this.
Ah, Thomas, hast du jetzt auch Corona? Natürlich.
Kane,
Jetzt hat nicht bloß Frau Hackel Corona, jetzt hat der Herr Sellmeier Corona. Toll. Au. Du Huhn.
Kane manages to reverse out of that one.
Warum bist du überhaupt noch wach? Kleine Kindergartenkinder müssen doch um diese Uhrzeit im Bett liegen. Achso.
Kane looking at this quickly.
There's a quick kick out by Big E.
Not even close. And it's Kane answering back.
Wie können 0 Leute drin sein, aber 5 Kommentare existieren?
Oh, the old European uppercut. Man, this place is jumping.
Wie geht das?
Kane going for an early pin. Big E quickly getting the shoulder up.
wow, what a display of heart and determination. Kane, oh boy. Ooh, impressive counter.
Way down. What a sit-up.
Junge. Ah, und du redest wirr.
Tough spot to be in.
And Big E managed to pop.
And now that one's countered.
So, aber jetzt.
Oh boy.
Slam. Kane going for an early pin. There's the elimination has been eliminated.
With a 180, Kofi Kingston, the reversal.
Jetzt geh her, du schwarzer Lauch.
Every person in this capacity. And he goes for the pin.
Fitze, Fatze. Alter, als ob ich das nicht gewonnen habe. 3 gegen 1. Respekt. Alter, wird's jetzt streamen, ne? Weil wir haben sofort Strafing. Wir haben mindestens schon die 100 Minuten erreicht, oder mindestens. Ja, 105 schon. Ja, jetzt kannst du 20 Mal anschauen, wie die hieben. Und vor allem, der Kane ist ja eigentlich schlechter, also von den Stats her, wie der Undertaker. Der Undertaker allerdings ist schon rennt und der Kane ebenfalls zu dieser Zeit, jetzt wo wir im echten Leben haben. Aber eigentlich war der Kane immer der Stärkere und der Undertaker halt der weit erfahrene.
Big victory for him here in this one.
Sometimes you step in the ring and just refuse to lose. I think that's what we saw here tonight.
Another amazing match in the long and storied history of Survivor Series.
Nur 81! Okay, ich muss auf jeden Fall mehr Matches spielen, wo wir 2 gegen 3 machen. Muss ich irgendwie machen. Ja, wurscht. Ich würde dann hier mal an dieser Stelle jetzt einfach mal sagen, guten Abend, guten Morgen und guten Mittag. Hat viel Spaß beim Scheißen.